In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone's location by phone number on Google Maps, step by step, in a safe and legitimate way. Before we get started, it's important to understand that you can't just type a random phone number into Google Maps and see where someone is. For privacy and security reasons, Google doesn't allow that. What you can do, however, is use Google's built-in location sharing features, which rely on a Google account and the Google Maps app. This only works if the other person agrees to share their location with you. So always make sure you have their full consent and that you're using this for a valid reason, like coordinating with family or keeping track of kids for safety. First, make sure both you and the other person have Google Maps installed on your phones and are signed in to your Google accounts. If they don't have the app yet, ask them to download it from the App Store and sign in. Having the correct phone number saved in your contacts will make this smoother, because Google Maps will match the Google account to the number in your phone. Next, on their phone, they should open Google Maps. At the top right, they'll tap on their profile icon, then choose the location sharing option. From here, they'll tap on the button to start sharing location. Google will ask how long they want to share for. They can pick a specific time, like 1 hour, or choose to share until they turn it off. For safety and privacy, it's usually best to pick the shortest time that still covers what you need. When they select how long to share, they'll see a list of contacts. They should choose your name from their contacts, which uses your phone number or email that's linked to your Google account. If your name doesn't appear, they can copy the share link and send it to you in a message. Once they send it, you'll get a notification or a link you can tap. On your phone, open that link or open Google Maps and go to the location sharing section from your profile. You'll now see their live location on the map. You can tap on their name to see details like how far away they are and directions to drive or walk to them. When you're done, remind them to go back into location sharing and stop sharing so they stay in control of their privacy.